How to sell on Facebook Marketplace from Business Page. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, head over to your profile at the bottom right corner and then move into your business page. Once you are in here, you will find the option of post and videos. Well, you can post the videos and the picture of the product that you want to sell. And then what you want to do is head over to Marketplace at the bottom. At the top left corner, the option of sell will be visible to you. Click on it. Tap on Create Listing and then select the category that you want to list. Let me click on Items. Well, it will land you on this interface. Tap on Done. Now in this page, what you want to do is you can record or upload the video of the product that you want to sell and then enter all the details of the product that you want to sell in this section. You have to enter title, price, category, condition and a description of the product. Also make sure to enter the right location. Once you are done, simply tap on Publish at the top right corner and then your product will be successfully ready to sell. So that's it, and this is how you can sell on Facebook Marketplace from Business Page. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.